Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating in the church the memorial of the Blessed Virgin Mary as the Mother of the Church. This is a new memorial in our church calendar. It was only introduced and formally included in our church calendar by His Holiness Pope Francis in 2018. And this memorial is celebrated on Monday after the Pentecost. Since Pentecost is the birthday of the church, then it is fitting to celebrate the Blessed Virgin Mary, her memorial, to whom or from whom the church was born. Our gospel today brings us to the scene where Mary was at the foot of the cross. There, as she was in the pain of looking at her son dying on the cross, her son told her, "This is your beloved son." And turning to the disciple whom he loved, he said, "This is your mother." At the foot of the cross, the Blessed Virgin Mary was entrusted to the church. The beloved disciple has no name. We can put our name to that beloved disciple whom Jesus loved. And what is so amazing at this scene is the fact that the Blessed Mother, even at the point of death of her son, she was there. It was really a moment of a very painful event in her life. But out of her obedience to the will of God, she endured all these pains that she had to go through. At ito yung nanay na ibinigay sa atin ng Panginoong Jesucristo sa simbahan. Ang nanay na hindi tayo iiwan sa kaligayahan man, maski doon sa ating panahon na naghihirap tayo. Kaya po ang pagiging ina ng mahal na Birhen Maria ay yung malaman at maramdaman natin na mayroon tayong kasama sa ating paglalakbay, sa ating pagsunod sa Kanyang anak, sa ating Panginoong Jesucristo. Let us allow Mary to accompany us even to the point of our own crosses in life. And let us allow Mary to embrace us under her maternal protection from all temptations and hardships that we have to endure in our life. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.